Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire escape does not pass inspection at this time. Must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. Photographs will show that this has not been painted in probably 10 to 15 years. There's some cement work, some structural minor that we can see from down below. It needs further investigation from up above, but at this time, this fire escape does not pass inspection. Does need engineer oversight because the fire escape is an old 75 to 100-year-old structure, probably needs restoration. So that definitely does need engineer oversight to make sure. There is lead paint, no welding allowed. Any questions, fire escape engineers?
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report. Please call us with any questions. Thank you.